morning, my beautiful budding bakers. It is a beautiful, glorious day today. We are doing something scrumdiddlyumptious and healthy. Healthy, did you say? Healthy? Yes, we are doing coconut and pineapple muffins, tropical muffins this morning. Absolutely so divine, so easy to do. We have got dried chopped apricots. We have got caster sugar. We have got flour, plain flour. We have got coconut. We have got baking powder. We have got bread soda. The wet mix over here, we have got some crushed pineapple. Now with the crushed pineapple, I have got 4 rings of tinned pineapple and it and blitz them, and hence pineapple crush. I have got some sunflower oil and I've got 2 eggs and I've also got vanilla extract. That could also be coconut extract and it could also be almond extract. It is completely up to you. You've got the power, the control. Now I will have all the recipe, ingredients, etc., on Facebook. Good morning to you all. I hope you are feeling amazing because looking outside, it is absolutely glorious. This literally takes minutes because as you can see, look, I've got everything mise en place. This is why baking is so easy. So we're starting with our dry ingredients. In goes our caster sugar. In goes our plain flour. Now if you did have self-raising flour, I would prefer using self-raising flour, but I have just put in my baking powder. So coconut, in goes the coconut. Baking powder, in goes the baking powder. Bread soda, in goes the bread soda. And we've got our dried apricot, in goes the dried apricot. Now these are the sort of soft, squishy, dried apricots that you get rather than the really chewy apricots because they will take longer to chew. These are beautiful when they're soft. If you really dried apricots, you can soak them overnight in about half an orange. Absolutely yum. So we have also got our wet ingredients, but before we do our mix, I have a shout out. Ellie Smith. Hey, Ellie Smith. Are you there in Somerset? Hello, Ellie. Ellie is watching over in Somerset with her amazing brother Joe and her awesome mother Debbie. So I am giving you a shout out this morning. Little birdie told me that you watch me every morning. You poor family. This is where Fiona Byrne is sending you loads of kisses. So she's thinking of you. So Joe, Debbie, Ellie, this one is dedicated for you because it's so easy. So we have got our dry ingredients. I'm zooming in to our dry ingredients. Next thing we got our fork. We're going skippity-doo-dah, skippity-day. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Skippity-doo, skippity-day. And as you're whisking an egg, think of a skipping movement. I love coffee, I love tea, I love Ellie playing with me. Skippity-doo-doo, skippity-doo. Wet 2 eggs. Into the 2 eggs, the vanilla extract. From the vanilla extract, in goes the oil. Look at that, clean as you go, clean as you go. Give that a stir. From the oil and everything else, we're getting all the wet ingredients ready because there's no point in hanging around because the minute you have the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, it's kaboom! It's done. That's all it is. Look at that. Clean as you go. Done. So, in goes our mix, our pineapple, our egg, our vanilla, our deliciousness. And we stir. All we're doing is a gentle stir because these are muffins, not cupcakes. Cupcakes involve beating the living daylights out of your butter and sugar. These are muffins which have a gentle mix. Get rid of all the flour. Make sure it's all mixed through. You do not want any flour pockets. That's it. Boom. Cupcake. Use your ice cream scoop. If you use your ice cream scoop, every cupcake will be the same and it'll bake the same. Now, in they go, into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Now, they could take 25 minutes depending on your oven. The other thing I do love, and I'm just out of them at the moment, and I get them from Peter in Bake World, are tulip cases. Tulip cases have this amazing height, and they push your cupcake even up higher when they're baked. These are relatively flat-ish cupcakes when they're baked. Now, as you can see, I get 9, sometimes I get 10, sometimes it could be even 11. It depends on the size of your eggs. I used 2 large eggs this morning. So we have got 9 cupcakes. So Ellie, Joe, and Debbie, get those into the oven this morning and they will be delicious.